Another item that I want you to get is for our melodic writing. So in with my popsicle sticks, I have 4 dots. These dots happen to be bingo chips, but I'm going to show you some other items in a minute that you can also use. So we do our melodic writing on staff paper, and a music staff has 5 lines. And this is what we would be writing, practice writing our do, mi, and so, and those items on. So if I was to sing to you, do, mi, so, you could practice writing that. Do would be on the first space, and we learned that mi is on the space above it, and that so is on the space above that. And then I could sing another pattern, and you could write that one again. So other ways to do this, and I want 4 because typically I will sing a 4-beat pattern to you. So for example, what if I don't have the paper handy? My printer's not working, I can't print out the piece of paper. That's okay. There's other ways you can do this. I could take just a plain piece of paper, and with a marker, I could draw my 5 lines, trying to keep them equally as close to spread apart. I could even take a ruler on my paper to help me draw the 5 lines. Another object I have here that I've used in the classroom, if you wanted to be crafty, this is a piece of felt, and it's kind of hard to see because it is a dark color, but it's got 5 lines on it. So I drew my staff on, and then I have these cute little shiny stones. They're like little jewels. So I could use for buttons, for anything that's kind of round would work. For bottle caps. And so right there, here, let me write something else. Do, mi, la, so. So any of those type of items. One other that I did, I made these to have in class. This is just a regular pan, like cookie sheet. And I put the staff on the cookie sheet because did you know the cookie sheets are metal? I'm sorry, not metal, we knew that. Magnetic is the word I meant to use. And so I have some magnets, and I can just slide the magnet up to where I want it to go. Trying to do this backwards. Whoops, it's like really stuck. Do, mi, so, do. And you can do it that way. So you can get creative. It doesn't have to be on a paper. Sometimes if you don't have any of these items, we will have some things on the computer that you can do with our music website that we have access to. And it will have the music stuff on the screen for you and little music icons that you can drag over to the staff. And then you don't have to find any of these items. But some people I know like to take some time away from the computer and have objects in front of them, tangible objects. And if that's you, then this is some other opportunities that you can do. Great, so gather all those up. Find one area to put them in, a box, a large zipper bag, and have them accessible in case you need it for one of your music lessons.